Up first this evening, the Police High Command has scheduled another top-level security meeting to craft strategies to stem the high level of murders in St. James.
The meeting, which is scheduled for next week, will seek ideas to fight the scourge from present and former commanders of the St. James Police Division.
It comes as a parish records more than 300 murders, despite efforts to bring the bloodletting under control. More in this report from Jeline Pearson.
According to information reaching our news centre, Deputy Commissioner Clifford Blake, who has been assigned to tackle crime in Western Jamaica, has also summoned divisional commanders and CIB personnel in Area 1 to the meeting. DCP Blake has requested the commanders and senior investigators to develop and submit to him tangible crime-fighting plans for Western Jamaica, where more than 500 persons have been murdered since January. The commanders of MOCA, CTOC, CIB, the Highway and Traffic Division, Financial Investigation Division, as well as the Services Division have all been called to the meeting. Last month's seizure in Miami of 117 illegal guns as well as ammunition destined for Jamaica has sparked more concern for the Police High Command about the power of the criminal underworld in Montego Bay. Our news centre understands that the meeting will also develop strategies to crack down on organised crime in Montego Bay and track down the financial assets of criminal networks in Jamaica for 2018. 313 persons have been murdered in St. James since the start of the year, the highest parish figure in the country. A further 134 persons have been killed in Westmoreland. Data obtained by our news centre show that there has been no ease in the bloodletting in St. James, as 10 persons have been murdered in the parish since the start of December. A woman and 9 men were killed between December 1 and Wednesday, while more than 12 persons were shot and injured during the period. Jeline Pearson, TVJ News.